Good morning, everybody. Well, today it's a bit rainy and actually it's raining so much. And I went for a walk. I just picked up my umbrella and went down the street. And now with my friend. Hey!
Hi.
And let's teach you this idiom. So, you can say whenever it's raining heavily, you can say it's raining buckets. It's raining buckets. All right? So, today I couldn't go to work because it was raining buckets, or it's raining buckets. All right? And the other one is that you can say also it's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. So it means the same thing, which means it's raining heavily. Have a good day.